Hello, I'm Diane Stover, the State Director of Protect Ohio Children Coalition. I'm going to take a few minutes to walk you through a brief tutorial about how to uh, navigate and access the Ohio Checkbook. The Ohio Checkbook website gives Ohioans transparency and is the best place to find out state and local financial information. You'll be able to find out what your school district is spending and who they are paying for social emotional learning. Now, you know that we have spent a year and a half, 2 years working with Marcia Metzger, the president of Parents on the Level, to create videos, webinars to help parents across the nation through Marcia's organization and with the help of Protect Ohio Children about the social emotional learning, just horrific nature of this curriculum. And so now that we've spent all of that time showing you the curriculum and the background of the companies, the publishers, now we want to show you how you can find out if your school district is spending money for these publishers, and very specifically, what publishers and their curriculum they're using. So first of all, let me share my screen. And I want to first take you to the Protect Ohio Children website. Okay. And the reason we're coming here is that I want you to see how easy we've made it for you to, after this video is over, to download the instructions I'm going to give you about how to navigate the Ohio checkbook. In the upper right-hand corner of our homepage, protectohiochildren.net, there's a yellow button and there's a star that says Download Ohio Checkbook Instructions. When you click on that, it'll download a 2-page Word document that'll give you, well, let's go there. I will stop sharing now and I will share the instruction sheet so you can see what it is. Okay, so it's 2 pages. The first page gives you the screenshots that and step by step what you're navigating to get into your page at your school district. And then the second page is a page of examples of social emotional learning publishers and vendors. Now, this comes from Marcia Metzger, and this is through her extensive research across the nation, mostly in Georgia, Florida, and Ohio. We at Protect Ohio Children have audited our heat map of evidence that has come through to us at tips at protectohiochildren.net. And every single publisher that we have found in Ohio is also on this sheet. So there you have it. This is what the handout looks like. You can see we've got, for the example I'm going to give you today, Savvis Learning is here. You can see Second Step, Sources of Strength. These are commonly found in Ohio. And so download this sheet off of our website, as I just showed you, and that'll give you the instructions for when we're finished with this. You'll have at your fingertips to walk through yourself for your specific school district. So with that, let me go to the Ohio Checkbook website. Okay, so I'm bringing up a portal here, a website. This is the ohio.gov, but where we want to go, I'm going to click into the search bar, and I'm going to type in Ohio checkbook.gov for /local and hit enter. ohiocheckbook.gov/local takes you to this screen for the Ohio checkbook. Okay, and it says at the top, putting government transparency at your fingertips. And so on the left-hand side, you see in dark blue, it says local government and schools. So you want to click on that button. And then on the right-hand side, you can see school districts, and it's got a little picture icon of a schoolhouse. So I'm going to click on that. And what it brings up are the six, it's going to bring up the school districts in Ohio, and there are 612 school districts. And what it gives you is an alphabetic list of the districts. Now, it's important for me to say at this point that what we have found is that several of the districts, no surprise, have opted out of reporting their financials to the treasurer of Ohio, and you will not find those districts in here. But we are urging everyone to urge your legislators to mandate that school districts must report their financials to the Ohio Checkbook. So for those that are in here, we're going to use this school district for our example, Lakota School District, which is in Southern Ohio. So I'm going to go to the L's, click on L. And here we find the third one down is the Lakota School District. And this screen will come up. Let's give it just a moment. Okay, Lakota Local School District, and it gives you some expense by fund. And so we're going to click on, and the right-hand side, a blue button that says View Expense. And you click on that. Then it shows an expense breakdown. Now, what we want to look for are the payees. Remember the list that shows the social emotional learning publishers and vendors? We want to look to see, does Lakota School District have Savvis Learning? That's our example. And so what we're going to do is the last selection is select payee here on the left-hand side of the screen. I'm going to click the down button, and it brings up all of the payees in the Lakota School District. So I'm going to deselect all, and then I'm going to scroll down looking for Savvis Learning. Saw it. Okay, Savvis Learning is right here. I'm going to click it, and I'm going to click on Apply to apply that. And now it is applying Savvis Learning to our search. And then I'm going to go over to broken down by, under where it says expense, broken down by. I'm going to deselect fund, and I'm going to select payee. And here's the Savvis Learning that we're looking for. Now, when I hover over this, it's still thinking. It's showing me that there's a total of $1,085,068 spent to the payee, Savvis Learning Company, which is a social emotional learning publisher. Okay, so we just proved that this school district has spent this money. And there's other drilling down that our team, the Protect Ohio Children Coalition team, has done a lot of work in this already, but there's so much more to learn about how to kind of drill down and find out more specific information. And that's what you can do. And that's where you can help. As you are finding information about your school district, we want you to share that with us so that we can learn more about these social emotional publishers that are in our school districts. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen now. I hope that helped you to see how you can find out about the publishers and curriculum for social emotional learning that are in your school district. And as you become more proficient in using the website, that isn't so obvious on the surface, you're going to be surprised what you can learn. But as I said before, if you don't find your school district there or the information doesn't come up, it's because your school district has very strategically decided, oh no, we don't want to report this information. So you're going to want to talk to your school board, definitely. First of all, when you find out that your school district does have one of these, or one or more, maybe several, social emotional learning curriculum, take that information that you have discovered to your school board and ask them, put it in writing as an open records request in writing about what these payments to these vendors for social emotional learning is for. Okay, first of all. And then second, find out about the curriculum. As a parent or guardian in the state of Ohio, the Ohio Revised Code 3313.60, Section G, ensures that parents and guardians have the right to see everything that their child is being taught. And you have a right to see this curriculum for social emotional learning. And what you'll find out most of the time, it's an online digital curriculum. So they're going to have to give you access. They're going to have to grant you credentials to log in, and you have the right to see what they're teaching your child. So let us know what you learn. We are doing the best we can, and we're doing a great job at it in tracking these school districts on our heat map at protectohiochildren.net. You can see the information we have already, but we want to learn more, and we hope you'll share that with us by sending your tips, and all of your tips are anonymous, at tips@protectohiochildren.net. Let us know what you find out, and hey, watch for more. We're going to have more tutorials for you in the future, and thank you for helping us. We are trying to help you, and you can help us so we can expose the indoctrination that's in our schools. Thank you so much, and have a good day.